What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Aavegotchi, or the Ghost Token, or GHST Token. And this is a token that's been out for a while. You can see as you can see, it's been for about a little less than a month, and obviously this is another play-to-earn game, and 18,000 people have this on their watch list. About a circulating supply of 54 million tokens, so not billion or anything that high. 90 million market cap, which is already very high for, you know, a play-to-earn game. Their volume 25 million basically, and obviously Binance, so this is on Binance, Gate.io, and obviously this token went up due to Binance, so that's pretty cool. It's already on Binance. It's been audited by Certic and another company called QuantStamp, which I'm not aware of, but more audits, more better. They're on the Polygon platform, and then if you see on their Twitter, this is their Twitter. They got about 62,000 followers, and two of them being Snook and Mobox, which I made a video on both ones. And obviously, Mobox is a really big platform, and I got into it before before barely any people knew it. After it just blew up, and then you got Snook. Snook is, you know, still a bit buggy and in progress and all that. You can see they got their Discord here, their website. Digital friends for the crypto generation is kind of like a meme. You can see this is their game, so this is one of their games. There's like mini games and all that type of things, and then you can see farming, staking, rewards, whatever. They post multiple times a day, and right here, this is their website. You can see you can play. Once you also connect your wallet, then you'll actually see these bridge tokens, learn more, get ghost tokens, stake ghost tokens. So I could click like play, and there'll be like tickets, my items, ambassadors, programs, mini games, auction house, gotchi bazaar. Obviously some of these are spelt like this just to make it, you know, like an arcade type game, which it is basically an arcade type game. Bridge tokens, so your Ethereum balance, Matic balance, whatever you're trying to do here, from ERC20 token to the Polygon chain. Get Ghost, probably gonna take you to like PancakeSwap or Binance, and then learn more would be Whitepaper, official wiki, blog, Gotchi versus Whitepaper, and I'll tell you more about their games and stuff. You got stake ghost tokens, so here you can see you can stake your tokens, and you can get your tokens after you stake. So let's say earn more friends by providing liquidity for ghosts on QuickSwap. One ghost to QuickSwap LP token would be 83 friends per day. 83 friends is obviously another token by them. And so you can see like different types. So one ghost to USDC, this many friends per day. Obviously that's a bunch of tokens, and you don't know what you're getting. You can click learn more to learn about staking on their wiki. They've got a whole wiki to them, so purchasing, how to stake. I'll make a video on staking itself if I'm interested in this. Then you can see here you got basically all of the buttons you've clicked. So obviously you can click play, my portals, my Aavegotchis, and if you go to their Whitepaper, you'll see introductions. So Aavegotchis are digital friends for the crypto generation. Each Aavegotchi is playable NFT endowed with uniquely generated personality and is staked with yield-generating tokens known as Spirit Force. These ghostly NFTs will soon be free to roam their homeworld, the Gotchiverse realm. This paper gives a high-level overview of the Gotchi Realmverse, game mechanics, and tokenomics of Realm, ownable land parcels with the Realm. For specific details, consult the full white paper, which is coming soon. Obviously, you got tokenomics, gameplay, and we're gonna look at tokenomics of them. So, if you scroll down, they should have this is their roadmap, you could say. This is not really their roadmap. This is more of just their timeline. They want to do pre-sales, goes live, grid sale, public sale, you know, all of these. So quarter 2, quarter 3, all that. Third grade battle, second grade battle. This is all about their tokens and stuff. Distribution. You can see there's about 420,069 coins of Realm tokens, which is obviously a big meme of a number. And obviously that's not also much of them, but then you got different like tokenomics. So tokenomics of Realm is obviously not their main token, which is Ghost. So that has no relation with their Ghost token. And yeah, so if you can go to their white paper, actually right here on the white paper, and they've got way more things about their platform. So you can see like the Ghost token right here. They give a big explanation. You spend on portals, wearables, consumables, parcels, and you earn competition, governance, and rarity in return. And obviously it goes on and on and on about what are these tokens for, and like their, you know, you can see like their ecosystem fund, 1 million ghosts will be locked according to the same schedule as the private round, blah blah blah. This is all about the tokenomics too. And you can learn about their game right here, which is a lot to go through, so unfortunately I will not go through it in this video. And basically, I think this is a great project. From their art style to their coding to their community, everything I think is obviously great. And then also it is on Polygon, not Ethereum, so that's even better. That's mainly on Polygon, and obviously, as you know, Polygon and Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum chain is all at the top 3 most used blockchains. So tell me what do you think about this project, and tell me how you earn and how much you earn on my Discord and Telegram. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend, and I'll see you guys later.